Breaking news, a massive escalation in the Middle East. Israel has launched one of the most daring military operations in decades, Operation Rising Lion. Over 200 warplanes targeted Iran's nuclear infrastructure and killed top military leaders. Is this the beginning of World War III? This conflict didn't start overnight. Iran's nuclear program has long been a red line for Israel. Despite international negotiations, Iran continued enriching uranium, nearing weapons-grade levels. Israel responded, not with words, but with action. In the early hours of June 12th, Israeli jets entered Iranian airspace. Their mission: eliminate critical nuclear facilities and decapitate Iran's military command. Key targets: Natanz, Iran's primary uranium enrichment plant; Isfahan, conversion facility and missile factory; Khondab, heavy water nuclear site; military compounds, where top commanders were meeting. This wasn't just an air raid. It was cyber warfare, electronic jamming, and precision assassinations executed in under 2 hours. The impact? Devastating. Among the dead are some of Iran's most powerful men: General Hossein Salami, commander of the IRGC; Mohammad Bagheri, chief of staff of Iran's armed forces; several nuclear scientists and missile experts. Iran's supreme leader: "We will retaliate with fire and fury." World leaders are scrambling. The UN calls for calm. The US, though not involved, was informed beforehand. Russia and China condemned the strike. Oil prices are soaring. Diplomacy hangs by a thread. Is this the spark that ignites World War III? Or is it a calculated move to halt Iran's nuclear ambitions? One thing is certain: the balance of power in the Middle East just shifted. If you want real-time updates, expert military analysis, and the full story behind world-changing events, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.